Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use your AirPods as a camera remote in your iPhone 17. So actually at first you need to have your AirPods paired and turned on. Let me just place my AirPods here. Now once they are here you need to open your settings and open your AirPods. Now as you can see, if we scroll down we can see camera control, camera remote off. Tap it, tap, press once. Now once I wear my AirPods, take them on my ears and for example disable the ANC so that I can speak to you better. If I click, as you can see, now I can check when I want where is the camera. It will be here. Click, hold still for 3, 2, 1, processing. And I can do, for example, a selfie of mine just using my AirPods. So let me do this. Here, as you can see, to have my AirPod, I can click it, and the photo is taken. Don't really, as you can see, comment how do I look like. The most important thing is that it works. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.